Assalamualaikum and very good morning to all audience. So today I would like to share about a topic which is related in our life. So it is about the love scam. But before that, let's start imagine someone you trust, someone you start to feel love, but actually never existed. Every sweet word and every promise is just a script and is just a trap. This is the reality of the love scams, which is not only robs the victims money, but also their dignity, trust, and future. So, stay tuned. What is about a love scam? A love scam is a type of fraud where a scammer pretends to have a romantic relationship with person to gain their trust and eventually manipulate and steal money. The love crime threat is a cyber or commercial crime targeted at professional, lonely, or maybe wealthy rich women. The love scam crime in Malaysia has resulting million Malaysia ringgit of losses to the victims and the country. These scams typically start from online, often on dating sites, or maybe on social media, where the scammer uses a fake account or identity and pretend to be attractive, successful, and loving individuals. But their true goal is actually financial gain. The love crime threat had frequently reported in many local newspapers for years, and various campaigns were held across the country in order to emphasize the public not expose or share personal information on social media. Nevertheless, the crime is still increased, especially among the professional women. Based on the statistic report from PDRM, Commercial Crime Investigation Department, the total case has increased from 35,368 in 2024 to 47,854 in September 2025, with total loss of 1.919 billion ringgit. Love scam is a crime that leaves a deep impact on the victim from an emotional, financial, and social perspective. Firstly, the love scam leave a deep impact in emotional because they would have given a fake hope, cherished affection, and trusted someone who apparently never existed until the victims often feel ashamed and lose self-confidence. Besides that, the love scam also affects in financial because the victim believes they are helping a partner who is supposedly in trouble until they can lose hundreds to thousands ringgit. Lastly, the love scam also leave a deep impact in social perspective because many victims distance themselves from family and friends out of shame. From that, they feel left out and no longer trust anyone. So, how to prevent love scam? Firstly, always be suspicious of any strangers approaching you on social media. Second, be cautious when someone online confesses love too quickly. Okay, third, do a background checking. Talk to someone you trust before making any big decisions in relationship. Okay, next, these scammers often pretend to be attractive. successful, and loving individuals in order to deceive the victim. Okay, next, repost suspicious profiles to the platform you are using. For example, Facebook, Instagram, or any other social media platform. And the foremost, never ever send money to anyone you have never met in person. In conclusion, love scam can be prevented by continuously raising public awareness through campaigns. In other aspects, the most important is self-awareness on the consequences of the love crime threat. So that's all from me. Thank you very much.